Have you ever walked away from a conversation feeling like you completely missed the mark? Maybe you said something that killed the mood, or someone lost interest the moment you started talking. Here is the thing. Communication isn't just about getting your point across. It is about creating genuine connections that make people want to be around you. Today, I am sharing 5 powerful communication secrets that can transform how people perceive you. These aren't random tips. They're strategies that emotionally intelligent people use daily. Here is a surprising fact. Research shows people with strong communication skills are 50% more likely to be promoted at work and have more satisfying relationships. So let's dive in. Secret number 1. Master the art of open-ended questions. Think of conversations like doors. Closed questions slam doors shut, while open-ended questions prop them wide open for a deeper connection. Here is what I mean. You run into an old friend you haven't seen in months. If you ask, "How are you doing?" they'll probably say good or not bad, and boom, conversation over. But what if you said, "You seem energetic today. What has been keeping you busy lately?" Suddenly, you've given them a story to tell instead of a one-word answer. This simple shift opens endless possibilities for meaningful conversation. Secret number 2. Replace criticism with curiosity. Picture this scenario. You are rushing out and can't find your keys anywhere. Your partner says, "Why are you always losing everything? Do you even think before you put things down?" How does that make you feel? Probably defensive and frustrated. Now imagine they said, "Try checking the couch cushions." "I remember you sitting there last night." Same situation, completely different energy. Think of criticism as throwing rocks at someone's emotional walls. It just makes them build higher walls. But curiosity and helpfulness are like offering a hand to help someone climb over those walls. Secret number 3. Use the sandwich method when giving feedback. When you need to give constructive feedback, think of making a sandwich. Start with something positive. Add your suggestion in the middle, then end with another positive note. Let's say you are in a meeting and want to suggest improvements to a colleague's proposal. Instead of saying, "This plan has serious problems," try, "Joan, those 3 points about market research were brilliant. I wonder if we could also consider the seasonal trends we discussed last month." You are always thoughtful about details, so I know you'd have great insights on that angle too. Notice how this approach makes the person feel valued while getting your point across. Secret number 4. Mirror their words to build an instant connection. This technique is like being a communication chameleon. When someone shares something with you, subtly repeat keywords or phrases they use. If your friend says, "I just started taking yoga classes," you might respond, "Yoga? That is amazing. No wonder you seem so centered lately." By echoing their words, you are telling their brain, "This person gets me." It is like speaking their emotional language, creating an almost magnetic sense of understanding. Secret number 5. Master the art of helpful boundaries. When someone asks for help, you want to be supportive without overpromising. Here is a 3-step formula that works like magic. First, show you care. "You know I always want to help you out, and I'll definitely keep this in mind." Next, be realistic about the challenge. This sounds pretty complex though, so you might want to reach out to other people too. That way we can tackle it from different angles. Finally, set gentle expectations. I never want you to feel like you can't ask for help, but just in case I can't come through completely, please don't take it personally. This approach shows you are invested while protecting both your feelings. The beautiful thing about these techniques, they're not manipulation tactics. They're genuine ways to create positive interactions with everyone around you. When you make others feel heard, valued, and understood, they naturally want to do the same for you. So here is your challenge for this week. Pick one of these secrets and practice it in your daily conversations. Pay attention to how people respond differently when you use these techniques. I guarantee you'll start noticing positive changes almost immediately. What communication challenges do you struggle with most? Drop a comment below and let me know which secret you are excited to try. If this video helped you see communication in a new light, subscribe to MindDoc for more psychology insights that can change your life. Remember, great relationships start with great communication, and you just learned how to master both.